Good evening, everyone. Again, to all the participants who have joined in. Myself, Shruti Joshi, Wellness Manager at Just for Hearts. Now, as I explained you during the lockdown situation, how our kids are suffering now. So, to keep them busy and to keep them fit as well, it is very necessary to find some solutions for them. So, today, during this week, we had a series exclusively for kids for webinars, which included diet and Ayurvedic tips and also psychological view of how to handle kids. So today here we are with the fitness funda with kids, a session which will be taken by Miss Sharvari, right? Also I introduced you more about Just for Hearts. So Just for Hearts is been providing various wellness services under one platform. So it has been an amazing experience. So I would like to request, if you people have any requirement, you can just get in touch with us. Right. So also before starting with the session, I would like to say a few guidelines before starting the session. I request you to keep everyone the audio on mute, and also you can, if you have any questions regarding, you can just write us at consult@justforhearts.org. Third thing is, if you want a proper sound, you can just you can just connect to the Bluetooth speakers or headphones. So the sound of the expert will be more clear and audible. And also, if you get disconnected in between, you can also write us at consult@justforhearts.org, or you can just write at QA box. So this was about Just for Hearts. Ms. Sharvari today to start the session. Now, before starting, I would like to introduce about her. Ms. Sharvari, she is a 5 years experienced dance and fitness experts who conducts various workshops at corporates. She is also trained in ballet, contemporary and jazz form of dancing. She regularly conducts classes and also takes personal sessions for the kids as well as adults. So this was about Ms. Sharvari Dhawale. Now I request Ms. Sharvari to carry on with the session. Thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone. First of all, I would request you all to switch on your videos so that it is easier to communicate. Whoever is comfortable, there is no compulsion in this. Just to know that you people have understood whatever I'm teaching, I would request you to turn on your cameras. And I guess English is comfortable for everyone, so I will go ahead with English, and a few things I might use, in a few places I might use Marathi or Hindi, whichever is comfortable. So as I said, I will start with, I'll start the session with a short warm-up. So you just have to follow me. I hope everyone can hear my voice. So even if there is no confusion about whatever I'm doing. So even if the video lags, I'll just continue to give you all oral instructions so that you can follow whatever. So let us start with the warm-up. After the warm-up, I'll be teaching a short choreography of about 1.5 minutes. And then after the choreography, there'll be a cool down session. So let us start with the session now. So whoever wishes to turn on their cameras, they might turn on their cameras. I have no problem. Chalo, let's start. Okay. So stand in your own places wherever there is space around you. And let's start with a warm-up. Okay. And let us start with your head moving up and down, up and down, up and down, change, look to the right and left. Right and left. 1, 2, 1, 2. And change, move it to the side. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder. And rotate your head. And in the opposite direction. And now go with the shoulders go up and down, up and down, up and down. And now move one shoulder at a time, one shoulder. Very good. Now just move your shoulders, rotate your shoulders. And move it forward, forward. Very good. Now bring your arms up and up, up and up, and up, down, and down, and hold your hands up and stretch, 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 stretch them up straight. And turn to one side, turn, turn, turn. And hold on. And now bring your arms to the side. Rotate your arms like this. Rotate your wrists like this to the side. And while rotating, bring them up. Bring it up. And down again. And relax as if you're flying. Move your arms as if you're flying. Very good, very good. Now bring your arms in the front and twist your upper body. Twist. Very good. Now move on to your hips. Hold. Keep your hands on the waist and move your hips from right to left. Right and left. Right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And move forward and back. Forward and back. And rotate. Rotate. And in the opposite direction, move it. Very good. Now jog in place. Jog in place. And bring your arms up with it. And down. And up. And up. And just move your hips to the side again. Bend down. Put your right hand on the right leg and stretch your left arm up. Okay, chalo. Let's do it again. Ready? Ready? Okay. Last one, last one. Now bend down. Bend down. Keep a little distance in your legs and bend down. Hold there. Hold there for a while. And hold up. And go down again. And come up. Okay? Hello? नाही आता मी दिसते उलट. Okay guys, so now this was the warm up. I hope everyone is warmed up a little. I'll start with the dance session. So what am I going to teach you today? The song is the Javani song from the movie Student of the Year 2. Okay, so let us start with the choreography. Okay, if anyone wants to drink some water or anything, they can. So now we start with the main choreography. How are we doing it? So now you stand in your places, right? And the first step, you're going to throw your arms. These are called jazz hands. So open your fingers and open your hands like this. So, and you're going to throw your hands up. 2, 3, 4. So you're going to do it 4 times. Okay? You're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with this, you're going to have 4 jumps. But how are you all going to jump? I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you kick your right leg out, then you kick your left leg out, parat right, and then left. Okay, let's try doing it again 4 times. You're doing it with the hands and the legs. Okay, you're doing it together. Let's try 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, after this, your right hand goes out, you step on the right leg. Bring your left hand, left leg in. Again, bring it back, bring it in. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you do this again 2 times. So, what we did jump 2, 3, 4, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try doing it with the music. Ready? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. Crazy, but you get on amazing. Turn up the lights and the sound, get loud, shout it out, 'cause we're young and crazy. Okay, let's try it once more. I'll tell you what we did once again. So we do jumps 2, 3, and 4. Then you do this 2, 3, 4. After this, you move your hands around in a circle to the right side first. So you go right, right, left, left, again to the right and left. Okay? Okay? Let's try. I'll play the music again and let's do this with the music. I'll give counts. Ready? Shake, shake, shake your body. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, 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 and step. In, step, in, step, in, step, in, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Karlo? I guess everyone knows this. After this, now we do this 2 times. Then you throw your right leg out and your left hand, like the jazz hands I told you before. You bring your left hand in and you kick your right leg out. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try doing it once more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Push out 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Then after this, your hands are here near your waist, like this. You put your hands here near your waist. And then you move to the right, to the left, to the right and left. Okay? So what we did 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, okay? Let's try doing this from the beginning. So pahila pasna kya kela pad, we did 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then you change 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you go round, and throw your hands out. 2, 3, 4, move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's try this part with the music. Let's try. And 5, 6, 7, go. You're crazy, but you keep on going amazing. Turn up the lights, turn the sound, get loud, shout it out. And down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push out. 2, 3, 4, move. 2, 3, 4. Clear? Okay. Now moving forward. After this, we did right, left, left. Now your right hand is going from down and up. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You step with the left leg. Your right hand is pointing down, it goes up. You do step, 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 step. Tap your left leg 4 times. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. Left hand 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try once more. You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then you bring your both the hands together. Bring it in and out, in and out. So what you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 6, 7, 8. Okay, Karla, I'll show you once again. So
sorry to interrupt you, Sharvari. You can also speak in Hindi because we had told the session will be in Hindi and English. It would be nice if you say in Hindi as well. Thank you.
Okay. So, तो क्या करना है? Left leg you have to tap 4 बार tap करना है. उसके साथ right hand ऊपर लेना है. So you go up 2, 3, 4. उसके बाद right leg left hand 1, 2, 3, 4. उसके बाद right hand और left hand दोनों एक साथ नीचे जाएंगे ऐसे क्रॉस करके ऊपर. ओके? उसके साथ एक कौन सा भी पैर राइट या लेफ्ट whichever go 1 and 2 1 and 2 और हाथ फिर दोनों हाथ नीचे से फिर से यहाँ साइड में लाने 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's try once more. So you did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cross up side 2 3 4. ठीक है? उसके बाद ये होने के बाद आपको राइट हैंड से पागल पागल दिखाना है. ओके, सो राइट तरफ जाना है, राइट की तरफ. यू गो 1 2 3 4, चेंज टू द लेफ्ट 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, फिर से करते हैं. once more 5 6 7 गो. राइट 2 3 4, लेफ्ट 2 3 4. उसके बाद राइट हैंड से ऐसे चेस्ट पे वी हैव टू गिव अ बीट. सो यू गो 1 2 3 4. उसके बाद 1 2 3 4, राइट की तरफ पहले, उसके बाद लेफ्ट की तरफ. ठीक है, once more. क्या किया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है, समझा? लेट्स ये करें, हम गाने पे करते हैं. Start jump 2 3 and 4. And turn 5 6 7 go out 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 out. और 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. ओके, समझा? फिर से एक बार करें, पहले से फ्रॉम द टॉप. लेट्स डू इट वंस मोर. ओके, चलो. हिलो, शेक योर बॉडीज. 5 6 7 go. And out 2 3 4, right 2 3 4, 1 2 अब इसके बाद नाउ होल्ड हैंड्स ऑफ योर सिबलिंग्स. बहन भाई जो कोई भी है आपके साथ, या अकेले नाच रहे हो तो अकेले. क्या करना है? ऐसे हाथ पकड़ने हैं और आगे आना है, 4 काउंट्स पीछे जाना है. ओके, सो यू गो फॉरवर्ड, पीछे, और फिर हाथ ऐसे. यू हैव टू पॉइंट 2 फिंगर्स. ओके, ये कर, हाथ ऊपर से नीचे लाएंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डिड, वी वेंट फॉरवर्ड 2 3 4, बैक 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 5 6 7 8, 2 times. ओके, उसके बाद राइट हैंड यू हैव टू थ्रो इट इन द एयर. ऐसे करके यू हैव टू जंप. सो यू गो 1 2 3 4. उसके बाद लेफ्ट हैंड से 1 2 3 4. उसके बाद फिर से राइट हैंड. सो 4 बार यू हैव टू जंप. ओके, सो क्या किया हमने? हम आगे आए 1 2 3 4, पीछे गए 1 2 3 4, ऊपर से नीचे हाथ 1 2 3 4, फिर से 1 2 3 4, and then jump 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, इतना करें हम म्यूजिक पे. चलो, लेट्स ट्राई. Five, six, seven, go. Side, 2 3 4. हाथ पकड़ के आगे. ठीक है, समझा? I hope everyone is getting it. Let's try doing it. Let's try doing it. Okay? फिर से एक बार, पहले से करें एक बार, पहले से यहाँ से करते हैं. Okay? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 4, jump. 2, 3, 4. And jump. 2, 3, 4. Side. 2, 3, ओके, अब थोड़ा सा पार्ट, लास्ट पार्ट. ओके, उसके बाद हाथ यहाँ पे ऐसे बंद, मुट्ठियां बंद है. ओके, fists. Hold your hands near your waist and you go shake, shake, shake and lift your leg. Okay, so आप राइट की तरफ जा रहे हो. If you're going to the right, shake, 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 lift the left leg. Shake, 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 lift the right leg. Okay, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. Okay, after this, now bring your right hand down from up. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, पूरा स्टेप कैसे दिखेगा? You shake, 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 lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand, 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 hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have to repeat. So ये फिर से करना है, ये स्टेप पूरा 2 बार करना है. So ये होने के बाद फिर से शेक करेंगे. Okay, चलो ये सीधा गाने पे करें. Let's try म्यूजिक पे. And go 1, 2, 3, up. ओके, समझा? समझा? इजी था? इजी है? सबको आ रहा है? आ रहा है सबको? मुझे ऐसे थम्स अप दिखा जिनको आ रहा है ये डांस. ओके, चलो इसके आगे का पार्ट, थोड़ा सा पार्ट जो बचा है वो करते हैं. उसके बाद अब हमने ये किया, ये किया. ओके, उसके बाद आपके दोनों हाथ जाएंगे राइट की तरफ और ऐसे होंगे. ओके, हाथ ऐसे और नीचे से राइट को जाएंगे. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 में you have to do this. With this you need to move your neck. Okay, so कैसे दिखेगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. समझा? 4 बार करना है ऐसे. So you do 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. उसके बाद इसी तरफ 4 स्टेप्स लेके चलना है. So you go 1 2 3 4. कैसे? Yes, very good. So पहले right 1 2, left 1 2, right 1 2, step 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 step. उसके बाद start with the left side. So go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 and move 2 3 4. अब ऑपोजिट साइड जाना है. पहले हम राइट की तरफ गए थे, अब लेफ्ट की तरफ जाना है. ओके, समझा? सो कैसे होगा? हमने ये किया 4 बार. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. नीचे से हाथ जाएंगे राइट को 1 2, नीचे से टू द लेफ्ट 1 2, टू द राइट 1 2 and walk 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 walk. Yes, now opposite side. Left 1 2, right 1 2, left 1 2, walk 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 walk. Okay, ठीक है? Let's try. करें, म्यूजिक पे करें. ये यहाँ से करते, शेक शेक शेक, यहाँ से करेंगे. आगे आओ, पीछे. समझा सबको? Everyone has got it?
Yes, okay. I think kids are enjoying the session.
Thank you. Now let's try doing the whole song. Like start से करेंगे from the jumping till ये वाला part. ठीक है? करेंगे एक साथ. Let's try. Smile, and while you're dancing, give a smile. Okay, I think let's take a break. 2 minutes पानी पियो, sip some water and come back. Okay, take a short break.
Come on kids, cheer up. Now you have to do the full song. I hope you got the steps which Sharvari madam has explained to you. So I'm looking for few more participations. So let's see how they enjoy.
Yes.
Yes, Sharvari, you can start.
Yeah, let's start. So now we're going to do the whole song. पूरा song करना है starting से. So jumping part से, okay? जैसे ही गाना शुरू होता है, you start moving your body. ऐसे खड़े मत रहो, okay? Just start moving your body. जैसे ही गाना चालू हो जाएगा. Let's start. Very good. I could see people doing it. Very nice. I hope everyone enjoyed this. Okay?
Yes, I think
So,
kids participated very well and they put up the steps so well. It was so nice.
yeah.
Very good
Yeah.
grasping power, I can say. They put up all the steps what you had taught within 15 minutes. It's
Fastest
so
learners
nice.
they are. Okay. So this was the end of my choreography. Now let's just have a small cool down session so that you don't feel मतलब थोड़ा relax हो जाते हैं अभी, okay? चलो थोड़ा सा relaxing music लगाती हूँ. चलो, so अभी bend down, bring your hands up and bring it in like this.
कैसी तेरी खुद मर्जी
Once more.
ना
Down.
चले ना कैसी तेरी खुद मर्जी किसी
And bring it in.
ना कैसी तेरी खुद
Now bring your hands to the side.
ना
Shift.
चले ना
Shift.
कैसी तेरी खुद मर्जी किसी के ना
Bend on one side, bend. इस तरफ झुक जाओ.
फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर
दूसरा हाथ दूसरी तरफ. और नीचे जाओ और ऊपर आओ. नीचे जाओ. Come up. Go down. Come up. And stretch. ऊपर. Toes पे जाओ. Toes पे stretch करो. Very good. नीचे आओ. नीचे आओ. नीचे आओ. और now bend down. Bend down. Bend down. Very good. Come up, come up. So नीचे बैठ जाओ, नीचे बैठ जाओ. Sit down, sit down. Sit down like this, like a butterfly position. Sit down. And now move your legs, move your legs. Move your legs. Very good. And now sit and just move your arms around. And stretch your legs, shake them, shake them. ऊपर नीचे करो. फिर एक लेग को होल्ड करो ऐसे और स्ट्रेच करो. Done it now? Okay. Now ऐसे बैठ जाओ. Relax एकदम. Relax. Sit. Now ऐसे stretch करो हाथ को. दूसरा हाथ स्ट्रेच करो. हाथ को पीछे लो और स्ट्रेच करो ऐसे. ऐसे नहीं पीछे. और ऊपर स्ट्रेच करो. और झुक जाओ नीचे. झुक जाओ. ऊपर आ जाओ. Now close your eyes. Sit straight. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and be calm. Sit ऐसे सीधे बैठ जाओ और बस 2 मिनट के लिए आंखें बंद करो. Very good. Now, do not open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Move your head up and down with your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed and move it up and down. And rotate your head. Don't open your eyes. Rotate. And reverse. Opposite direction. And just wait. Now take a deep breath in, keeping your eyes closed. I hope no one is opening their eyes. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Last one, take a deep breath in and release. Breathe out. Now rub your palms like this. Now start massaging your head, your forehead, your face, your shoulders, your neck. Massage your arms, legs, now rub your palms again. Place them on your eyes and open your eyes. Okay, so I hope everyone enjoyed the session. सबको अच्छा लगा, कोरियोग्राफी अच्छी लगी.
Thank you, Sharvari.
Thank
Just
you.
one request, Sharvari. Can you
Yes.
just tell all the kids to hold one pose so that we can take few photos?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
So now let's do one simple pose. Everyone does this a V of their hands and smiles. अच्छे से. A good smile. So that they can click a picture of us.
Yes, I think it is done. Thank you,
Yeah.
Sharvari. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you everyone for joining the session. I hope to have more sessions like this with you.
Yes. Thank you, Sharvari. Thank you for your wonderful time and taking the session so patiently and teaching the kids so easy steps which they can grasp easily. Really very nice. Now I would like to request the kids, if anyone wants to give a feedback or how they like the session or what they want to, they can just write a message at the question answer box, and you can just give your view or any feedback regarding the session. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So thank you, Sharvari. Thank you very much. Now I would like to tell few things regarding the session. Yeah, so this was Miss Sharvari. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request kids, if you want to give any feedback, you can give to your parents the mobile or the whatever laptop screening, where you can put up your feedback on the question and answer box. And also you can raise your hand if you have any live questions to ask to our expert. Next thing is, if you have any queries, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can write us at consult@justforhearts.org. So this was about the question and answers, which people are having many, but we are not able to answer due to time constraint. So you can just write us there. Okay. And the next thing is, we have also provide personalized consultation, so that comes under health coaching. So if you are not able to consult your doctor directly, you are not able to get outside your house because of the lockdown, you can consult directly. We have our doctors in house, so we have Ayurvedic doctors, homeopathic doctors, physicians, fitness experts, psychologists, and dietitians. So if you are any requirement, if you have any requirement of such, you can just consult, you can just contact the number given on the screen. And also you want to have live yoga sessions or any group sessions, you can contact to the number given on the screen. So this was about the personalized consultation which Just for Hearts provides. Okay. So next thing is about tomorrow. So at the same time at 5 o'clock, we have the session, healthy snack option for kids during lockdown. So I think many mothers are worried because kids, they continuously ask for eating. So here we have a very good health topic, which is healthy snacks option for kids during lockdown, and which will be taken by our dietitian. So it will be at the same time tomorrow in the evening. You can just note down the ID and password so that you can get logged in tomorrow. So I request for today how the participation was there. So I looking forward for participation for tomorrow as well. So this was about tomorrow's session. And then next is, I would like to request, if anyone wants to give feedback about the session, you can write at consult@justforhearts.org. So I thank all the participants, for the kids, for the heroes, heroines who participated for the session. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay fit, stay healthy. So that was from my side and Just for Hearts. Thank you. Thank you, Sharvari. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yes, Sharvari.
Hello.
Thank you.
Dr. Shruti.
Yes.
I want to give a live feedback. I hope our expert is there.
Yes. Just 1 second. Just hold on.
Yeah. My son wants to give a feedback.
Okay.
Thank you, Majaliku.
Yes, all the kids, I guess, enjoyed a lot, and this was from him, the feedback. And thank you. We all enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Means a lot.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sharvari. Thank you to all the participants.
Yes. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
and I would like to tell, if anyone wants to have few more sessions, you can write at the question answer box and just let us know. We'll get back to you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Sharvari.
Yes.